Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have started a beginner crochet series, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to single crochet. But first, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Akia, and I am the owner and designer of Iconic Trends. So let's get started. In my last video, so far we have learned how to make a slip knot, and we have learned how to chain. So I have chained 20, and I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet. When you start a single crochet, first I want to make sure you know that this is not a stitch. We never count the stitch. We never count the stitch on the hook. So we would go into the second stitch from the hook. So not this one. So that will be the first one. This one doesn't count. So one, and then this will be the second one, or whichever your pattern requires you to do. So then you just insert your hook into that second loop for the second stitch, pull through, and then pull through again, and that is a single crochet. I want to talk about the different chains in this stitch, because some people will tell you to go through the back bump when they start their first row. So the back bump will be this little loop, and the reason why they go through that instead of the top loop is it makes it look more even. So I personally do not go through the back loops, but you can if you would like. So I'm gonna show you. First, I'll show you through the top loops, and then I'll go back and show you through the back loops. So insert your hook. So you have two on the hook. Yarn over. And then pull through, yarn over, and then pull through again. So I do it one more time. So insert your hook into that top loop, yarn over, pull through. When you pull through, you'll have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, and then pull through again. I'll do it one more time. So insert your hook. You have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Now you have two loops on your hook again, and then you yarn over, and then you pull through both. Okay, and that is when you're working just with the top loops. What it would be like if you decided to go into the bumps instead. So this is the bump. Insert your hook. So you basically do the same thing, but it gives you a different look. Insert your hook. You have two loops on your chain, on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. So it's exactly the same, you're just going into the back bumps. So insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So this is what it looks like when you go through the bump in the back instead. So when you go through the bump, you'll get this at the bottom, but when you go through just the top, it will look like this. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.